Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Asteria hair. So today I'm working with their curly HD wig from them. It's a 28-inch wig and it's a 250 density, so this is a lot of hair that I'm working with. I feel like if you're gonna get this wig, you can definitely do with like 180 or even a 200%. 250 is a bit like, it's quite much, but I'm not mad at this. I really like how this looks. But one thing I can say is that although I'm working with a lot of hair, the hair is very low maintenance. There's hardly any tangling or any shedding, which I really like, because curly hair tends to tangle quite a lot. But this I'm really impressed with. The hair is really soft and really fluffy as well. So if you want to see how I installed, styled and defined this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hi guys, okay, so here's the wig from Asteria hair, and this is what the construction of the wig looks like. So it comes with an elastic band, it comes with some combs, and it comes with an adjustable strap at the back of the wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is to clip the straps together. I've also applied some foundation to help the lace match my skin tone. So this is the HD lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my melt band, and I just want to show you guys how seamless and how good this lace is. It's literally melted into my skin. It is literally melted. So this is the HD lace. so here's the finished look, and can I just say I'm so in love with this wig. So like I said, this wig is from Asteria hair, and this is their curly HD wig, and it's a 28-inch wig and it's 250 density. So yes, this is a lot of hair. But one thing I really love about Asteria hair when it comes to their curly or their wavy units is that the hair is actually really soft and it's really fluffy. The hair is really soft, it's really fluffy, and it's low maintenance as well, so it hardly tangles and it hardly sheds as well, which is a really good thing for curly hair. So I'm just really impressed with this wig. And also when it comes to the lace as well, like the lace is everything. Honestly, the lace is everything. So this is their HD lace, and it's so thin, it's very seamless, and it literally melts into your skin. So I feel like this wig is definitely perfect for summer, and I like how full the wig is. You don't have to get a 250 density, you can go with 180 or 200%. 250 is quite much, but I didn't think it was going to end up being this big, but I like this. I think this is really nice. So yeah, if you want to go for this exact same look, then you can get a 250 density. If not, then you can just get 180 or 200. And the last thing I'm going to say about this wig, I like the fact that the curls on the frontal matches the rest of the bundles, because you guys know sometimes you get curly or wavy wigs and it's a different curl pattern to what you have on the rest of the bundles, but with this everything literally matches. But yeah, so you guys let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.